Hey guys, welcome to my channel. If you enjoy watching and want more, go ahead and subscribe. I keep things simple, helpful, and easy to understand. Let's jump in.
Resetting the tire pressure monitoring system on a 2008 Honda Accord is a common task for many owners. This system alerts you when your tires are low on air to keep you safe on the road. Unlike newer models, the 2008 Accord does not have a physical reset button or a menu option to clear the light. The process is mostly automatic but requires a few specific steps to complete correctly. First, you must check the air pressure in all 4 tires using a reliable gauge. You can find the recommended pressure levels on the sticker inside the driver's side door jamb. Make sure to fill every tire to the exact specification listed on that sticker. Do not forget to check the spare tire if your car has a full-size one with a sensor. Once all tires are at the correct pressure, you need to drive the vehicle. You should drive at a speed of at least 20 miles per hour for about 10 to 20 minutes. The car's computer needs this time to read the new data from the sensors inside the wheels. If the light stays on after your drive, you may have a faulty sensor or a dead battery in one of the units. These sensors usually last about 7 to 10 years before they fail. If the light flashes before staying solid, it indicates a system malfunction rather than low pressure. In that case, a professional mechanic will need to scan the system to find the bad sensor. Following these simple steps will ensure your dashboard stays clear and your tires remain safe.
Thanks so much for watching. If you liked the video, tap the thumbs up, hit subscribe, and ring the bell so you don't miss anything new. See you next time.